You girls like your balloons? You girls like your balloons? Bella, are you wearing your Easter dress? Uh-oh, she lost it.
I'll get it. Yes. I found it.
She says thank you. Uh-oh, don't put your mouth on it.
Don't put your mouth on it. It will make the boom sick. Oops, I got it. I will give it.